kitchen was the kitchen we had when we bought the house. So it was time to do something new.
The function and feel of the space is huge. It's double the size of what it used to be. It's so much more workable, and we can both be in the kitchen at the same time. We can have a large group in the kitchen at the same time, and nobody's getting in each other's way.
Everybody can stand around the island and their food. It's perfect.
Our experience working with the New Spaces team was wonderful. The communication was perfect. If anything went wrong or if anything was not quite right, there was always an email letting me know when people would be there. Everyone was always friendly and polite, and it was not a problem at all to have people working in my kitchen. What I like most about our remodel is the usable space. I can find things that I haven't been able to find in 20 years because it's so much better laid out. There's drawers instead of cupboards. It's just very well thought out, and it's all perfectly usable space. I think I saw advertisements in some magazines, and I had seen some signs in people's yards that I think you had done projects in the area, and I knew it was a reputable company just based on the advertisement and the number of signs in people's yards that I've seen. So that's why I chose New Spaces. I would recommend New Spaces to future clients, just the ease of working with them. There was never a stressful moment. We've had some horrible remodeling mishaps over the years, and I didn't want that again. So that's why I would definitely recommend New Spaces. I had no problems whatsoever.